Yes, student. Now we are going to discuss the next chapter, that is chapter number 4. It is carbon and its compound. Getting? Student, in our periodic table there are approx 118 elements, but out of these 118 elements, few elements like hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus and halogens, they forms the basis of organic compound. Okay, there are two type of compound, organic compound and inorganic compound. Okay, but only few elements forms the basis of organic compound that is present in all type of organism. Out of these few elements, the carbon is one of the very important element which plays very important role in the forming of most of the organic compound. Therefore, the chapter is introduced to you. Okay, that is what carbon, and it can form how many type of compound. So I am starting. As you all know, the carbon, okay, having 6 atomic number, that is it has number of proton 6 and number of electron also 6, and even number of neutron is also 6. If we write electronic configuration of carbon, okay, which has 6 number of electron, then we can write it what? 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. Commonly we can write it what? 2 and 4. These 4 electrons present, it is known as what? Valence shell. Okay, so student, in carbon there are 4 number of valence shell electrons. In the carbon, 4 valence electron are present. Okay, but student, we know that to be stable it requires 8 electron. That is, valence shell must have 8 electron to be stable. Okay, carbon atom, okay, require what? 8 electron in valence shell. In valence shell. Okay, now it has already 4 electrons, so 4 more electrons require 4 more electrons require to be what? Stable. To be stable. Okay, now carbon can, okay, apply 2 type of activity, 2 type of activities to which it can become stable. It can become stable. Okay, first activity is what? By losing what? 4 electrons from valence shell. From valence shell. So it will become stable, okay, by getting duplet. By getting what? Duplet. Okay, how it is? Say carbon 6 electron is there. So if 2 and 4 electrons is there, so if it lose its how many electrons? 4 electrons, then there will be configuration what? 2. Getting? But loss of 4 electrons, loss of 4 electrons requires very high energy, requires very high energy, which is not possible, okay, not possible to be what C and what plus 4. It can apply second activity. What? Carbon can gain 4 electrons from outer sources. Okay. So the configuration will become, will becomes what? Carbon, now the 6 electron is there, 2 and what? 4. So if it gain 4 electron, that is plus 4 is equal to what? 8. That is, now the configuration becomes 2 and 8. But gaining of 4 electron to form C minus 4 ion, okay, not possible, because 6 proton cannot attract 4 electrons. Means what? Means there are 2 chances to which it can acquire the noble gas electronic configuration, which is 2, that is duplet, or 8, that is octet. But actually this is not possible, that it can lose 4 electrons to gain duplet configuration, and the second one is to gain 4 electron to get octet configuration. Why? It is because the size of carbon is very small, its valence shell volume is also very small, and only 6 proton, they are unable to gain 4 electron and adjust the 8 numbers of electron in valence shell. So these 2 activities are not applied by the carbon. Besides of it, the other activities are applied, which we will see in next video.